How to connect Senville Smart Wi-Fi Kit. Open the cover. Disassemble the display box. Attach the QR code to the panel so it can be scanned for the mobile app setup. Remove the cap. Insert the USB key into the appropriate slot. Reassemble the display box. Close the cover. Press LED on the remote 7 times. Wait until AP appears on the display. Open the Alexa app. Tap the plus icon. Select Device. Select Air Conditioner. Choose Senville. Tap Next. Then tap Yes. Select Scan Code. Scan the QR code you placed on the unit. Wait a few moments for the Wi-Fi connection. Once connected, tap Next. Choose the group or room for your device. For example, living room or family room. Tap Continue. Then tap Done. Your Senville Mini Split is now ready to be controlled with Alexa.